Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best car accessories for gaming enthusiasts, the LISEN tablet holder for car headrest. If you're a Nintendo Switch fan who loves gaming on the go, this accessory is your new road trip essential. The LISEN tablet holder is not just any car mount, it's designed with gamers in mind. Offering a secure and adjustable way to mount your Nintendo Switch or any tablet. With its tri-axis upgrade arm, you can easily adjust the angle and position to ensure everyone in the backseat gets a perfect view. Easy installation and 360 degrees rotation. Setup takes just seconds, no tools needed. Plus, its 360-degree rotation means no more strained necks, perfect for multiplayer gaming sessions. Whether you have a Nintendo Switch, iPad, Galaxy Tab, or any 4.7 to 11 device, this mount ensures a snug fit and secure hold. Designed with deep fixed nuts and anti-slip rubber pads, your device stays secure even during bumpy rides, protecting it from scratches. Its extended arm lets you position the screen centrally between seats, ideal for multiplayer gaming or watching movies. Imagine a long road trip where the kids can play Mario Kart on the Nintendo Switch. Comfortably mounted with the LISEN holder, no more squabbles over screen time. As a parent and a gamer, this mount has been a game changer for family trips. It's sturdy, easy to set up, and keeps everyone entertained. Ricardo, wrap it up. If you're looking for the best car accessory to enhance your gaming experience on the go, the LISEN tablet holder is your answer. Check out the link in the description to get yours today and level up your road trips with the ultimate gaming companion. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!